This is me again. It's Saturday morning, January 8th. I'm in the plane right now, waiting for boarding. I take American Airlines to LA. LA is in California. I think it take off now. I could feel the move, the slow move. ជម្រាបសួរបងប្អូននេះព្រឹកថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ខែ1ថ្ងៃ8ខ្ញុំនៅក្នុងកប៉ាល់ហោះហើរឥឡូវនេះទៅវាចាប់ផ្ដើមជំរុញចេញម្ដងតិចហើយខ្ញុំទៅ LA ហើយនៅក្នុង
We're service to Los Angeles. Your flight crew for this flight is Captain Fred Haslett, assisted by First Officer Gary Long. From New York to Los Angeles, our flying time will be 5 hours, 54 minutes, and we'll be flying an altitude of 34,000 feet. Los Angeles weather conditions are partly cloudy with a temperature of 51 degrees Fahrenheit, 11 degrees Celsius.
This is moving.
If we can have your attention for just a couple minutes, we're going to point out the safety features of this Airbus A321T aircraft. Your attention, please.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for your attention. It's time to get you ready for takeoff.
គេដាក់ហ្វៀមនេះឲ្យយើងមើល
We know you have lots of choices.
ដើម្បីឲ្យយើង
Choose from American. We're happy to be your airline.
រៀននៅច្បាប់ទម្លាប់
Now, if you'll just follow along with me, we'll be on our way. Welcome aboard. Before we depart, there are some important safety instructions. First things first, let's buckle those belts. Insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. To open, simply lift on the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelt should be fastened wherever you're seated, just in case of unexpected turbulence. To get us on our way, make sure your seat is up, all electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. If you have a carry-on, push it all the way under the seat in front of you. If it won't fit, place it in the overhead bin. If you have a handheld device, please switch it to airplane mode now. You'll find our full electronic device policy in the back of your American way. U.S. law prohibits smoking, including electronic cigarettes, at any time. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the laboratories may result in a fine. U.S. law requires all to comply with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. Now let's review the safety card. Please pay close attention, and before you know it, we'll be off. All exits on this airplane are clearly marked. Take a moment to locate the nearest one. Keep in mind, it may be behind you. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, slides in the front and back of the airplane can be detached and used for flotation. You'll find the exact location on your safety card. This aircraft is designed with escape lighting on or near the floor. A sign will indicate you have reached your exit. In the event of an evacuation, escape path lighting will appear. Follow the lights until you've reached your exit. Leave all carry-ons behind. Just head quickly and safely to the nearest exit. And don't forget, it may be behind you. Now, if the airplane loses pressure, oxygen masks will drop automatically. While remaining seated with your seatbelt fastened, grab the closest mask and pull down. The yellow cup goes over your nose and mouth like so. Then slip the band over your head and tighten by pulling the straps on either side. Just breathe. Even if the plastic bag doesn't inflate, oxygen is flowing. And remember to always put your own mask on first before helping others. Life vests are located either next to or under your seats. To remove the vest, pull the tab or compartment handle to break the seal. If equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. For help locating them, see your safety card. Remove the vest from the package like this. Put the vest over your head Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and pull tight. Once outside, hold the tab to inflate your vest or blow into the red tube on the side. In the water, a light on your vest will illuminate. And please, only inflate your vest outside the airplane. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a flight attendant. The safety card shows how to use it. The crew will now be coming around to do a final cabin check. After takeoff, we'll be back with more information. And if you need anything, don't hesitate to ask. As always, we're here to make your flight great. Because great is what we're going for.
For watching our safety demonstration. The federal mask mandate remains in place for air travel under the recently updated CDC guidance for vaccinated travelers. As a result, we continue to have additional safety measures due to COVID-19, and we appreciate your attention for a few more moments. In the event oxygen masks drop from an overhead compartment, remove your face mask before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. You must wear a face mask over your nose and mouth and make sure it is secured under your chin or neck during the flight. You may briefly lift or lower your face mask while eating or drinking, and please keep your mask on if you want to sleep so we don't have to wake you. In addition, federal regulations prohibit smoking, including the use of vaping devices at any time on board the aircraft. Electronic smoking devices may not be plugged into any power source, including USB ports and AC outlets. We're coming through the aisle now for our final safety and face mask checks. Now more than ever, we appreciate you choosing American. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
បងប្អូនមិនហ្នឹងដែលខ្ញុំឲ្យបងប្អូនមើលហ្នឹងអាហ្នឹងគេប្រាប់ថារបៀបយើងជិះកប៉ាល់ហោះយើងត្រូវធ្វើមិនខ្លះដើម្បីយើងប្រុងប្រយ័ត្នខ្លួនព្រោះមានការមានរឿងមិនស្រួលកើតហេតុឡើងយើងអាចការពារខ្លួនយើងបានប៉ុន្តែយើងពោះតបថាកុំឲ្យមានព្រោះអីបើតើមានខ្លាំងក៏ការពារលែងបានដែរអញ្ចឹងណា Guys, whatever I just filmed you, it's just the instruction of how you could help yourself if like something go wrong, you know, something like that, but not on road. Everything going to be safe. Not on road. I think God is about us, protect us to have a safe trip all the way to LA. I know in my heart, you know. This is moving. It will take off soon. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you can, please have like and subscribe. អរគុណបងប្អូនច្រើនដែលជួយមើលវីដេអូខ្ញុំបើសិនណាអាចសូមជួយចុច like and subscribe ឲ្យខ្ញុំផងតិចទៀតខ្ញុំនឹងបិទហើយ I just continue filming until it take off. Thank you. But would like to say goodbye now. I'm sitting just on top of the wing. You see the wing flip up and flip down. ខ្ញុំអង្គុយចំពីលើកន្លែងស្លាបមកខ្ញុំអត់បានជិះកប៉ាល់ហោះតែ2ឆ្នាំកន្លះហើយហើយកន្លះឆ្នាំមុននឹងជំងឺកាចសាហាវនឹងវាឈានចូលមកដល់ណាហើយទៅក៏មកដល់ឥឡូវទៅជិះទៀតកាលលោកមុនជិះច្រើនណា2ខែម្ដង3ខែម្ដងពួកអីទៅមកធ្វើការពួកអីខ្ញុំធ្វើការ3ខែ2ខែឬក៏1ខែខ្ញុំឈប់3ខែអញ្ចឹងណាហើយបានច្បាយខ្ញុំគាត់ដាក់ឲ្យខ្ញុំទៅធ្វើនេះនោះទៀតអញ្ចឹងណាហើយពេលខ្ញុំឈប់ទៅខ្ញុំនៅផ្ទះខ្ញុំជួយ classify paperwork ឲ្យមិត្តភ័ក្ដិខ្ញុំអីចឹងហើយមិត្តភ័ក្ដិខ្ញុំហើយទៅមិត្តភ័ក្ដិផ្សេងទៀតដូចតែច្បាយដែរគេមានបើក they have a office a couple office they work for law firm so well they all are lawyers and some are doctor but most of them are lawyers so I just help them like classify the paper, you know, put it in order, alphabetical order, and answer the phone a little bit. Nothing much, making coffee, something like that, but not clean up. So now I'm going to my other boss, parents' house. They live in a really residential area in LA. Very rich. Both husband and wife are both are doctors. His wife is from Hong Kong, and him is from Singapore. They both very smart people, and their background are very rich too. But my boss living in New York and work in New York City. Before we live very close together, but now I have to walk to her place about 40 minutes. And I'm now going to her parents' house to work. I work for them. Well, I work for another boss too, because my job is not full-time in one place, but it add up one place here, one place there, it became full-time. ខ្ញុំទៅនឹងទៅធ្វើការឲ្យច្បាយខ្ញុំហ្នឹងគាត់តាំងប្តីប្រពន្ធគឺជាដុកទ័រហើយគាត់មាន clinic ខ្លួនឯង2 3ហើយគាត់ប្រពន្ធគាត់មកពីហុងកុងប្តីមកពីសិង្ហបុរីប៉ុន្តែអត់ឃើញនិយាយចិត្តនិយាយអីចេះដែរប៉ុន្តែគេអត់និយាយដែរនិយាយតែអង់គ្លេសហ្មងខ្ញុំអត់ដឹងកើតអីគាត់និយាយតែអង់គ្លេសអញ្ចឹងណាហើយគាត់មិនចូលចិត្តចិនដឹងខ្ញុំមិនដឹងប៉ុន្តែគាត់ដូចមកម៉ៅមិនទេគាត់ថាការចិនការសង្គ្រាមម្ដាយរបស់គាត់បាត់បង់អីច្រើនណាស់ស្រុកចិនរត់មកដល់ហុងកុងមកនៅហុងកុងក៏រកស៊ីបានឡើងវិញអញ្ចឹងណាអ្នកខ្លះចិនដែរបើគេអត់ចូលចិត្តចិនផងខ្ញុំមិនដឹងមកទេណាដល់ហើយយើងពេលខ្លះបើយើងចេះទៅរាជការបានហើយកុំឲ្យចេះប្រជាជនវាមានប្រជាជនល្អហើយក៏អាក្រក់ដូចតែស្រុកយើងចឹងស្រុកណាក៏ដូចស្រុកណាដែរមានអ្នកល្អហើយអ្នកអាក្រក់ចឹងស្រុកនេះក៏ចឹងដែរប៉ុន្តែគ្រាន់តែស្រុកនេះល្អច្រើនជាងអាក្រក់អីចឹងណាលោកហើយខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យបងប្អូនយល់នៅការរស់នៅខ្លះការសិទ្ធិខ្លះស្រុកយើងវាចឹងហើយប៉ុន្តែក៏វាមិនអាក្រក់ណាស់ណាដែរយើងនៅមានឈ្មោះជាស្រុកតិចទៀតហើយយើងល្បីដូចគេដូចអាយហើយធ្វើម៉េចកុំឲ្យតែមានសង្គ្រាមទៀតតែមានសង្គ្រាមទៀតបងប្អូននៅហ្នឹងបាត់បង់ដីធ្លីហើយក៏ចាប់ផ្ដើមម្ដងទៀតអ្នកខ្លះបើមានជីវិតរស់នៅចាប់ផ្ដើមអីទៅចុះមកអត់ទៅធ្វើម៉េចទៅមិនបាត់បង់ទាំងអស់លោកហើយយើងធ្វើម៉េចបើរាជការខឹងយើងស្ងៀមបើរាជការយើងមិនស្រួលយើងតវ៉ាតិចតួចទៅប៉ុណ្ណឹងទៅណាយើងកុំនេះហើយបើកន្លែងការងារបើតាមស្រួលនាំអ្នកដើរចេញទាំងអស់គ្នាទៅបាច់តវ៉ាបាច់អីទៅគឺចឹងទៅហើយទៅយើងធ្វើស្រែចម្ការអីស្ងំមកសន្ទុះទៅអីឥឡូវហ្នឹងវាពិបាកគ្រប់គ្នាមេរោគនឹងចូលមកស្លាប់គ្រប់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងហើយនៅស្រុកអាមេរិកឥឡូវហ្នឹងកំពុងមកឆ្លងខ្លាំងវិញហើយមួយថ្ងៃពីកន្លះលានទៅ1លានហើយស្លាប់មួយថ្ងៃពី100,000ជាងហើយក្នុងមួយខែស្លាប់ហើយ80000ច្រើនណាស់បងប្អូនវាចាប់ឆ្លងមកគ្រួសារឆ្លងមិន
Flight please prepare for takeoff.
Bye guys, I'm sorry, we take off now.